Alright, so here we go with video 3. So you know how to get to the link. You know how to put your answers in these spots. And you just keep going. So if you come down and you get this little scrolly bar, okay, you got, as you move it over, you've got 1.3, 1.4, okay? That is 1, fundamentals. Because up at the top, when you go to your link, it's all fundamentals. That's what it's under. Right here, fundamentals. Okay? Then, let me close some of these out. You have these sheets. I want you to read through those documents. When you get to those at the end of the lessons, that's all good information. Then what you do is you're going to come to 2, which is setup. To be honest, a lot of this stuff you can skip. Update your Cortex firmware. There's something funky about that, and I don't think it really works the way that it tells you it's gonna. Update your joystick. You can skip that one. Download sample program over VexNet. This is where it starts to get good for you, and it there's some let's go back a little bit. 2.2 was that. 2.3, it says if time permits, continue to this lesson. Yeah, that's the same thing as that. But it's like downloading a sample program. So it shows you how it works you through the steps of doing a sample. Ignore this target date to do, Jai. That's for when I first used this with my 4th period class, so just don't worry about that. Your target for today is I would like you to get through the chapter 1, fundamentals, all 4 of those lessons. I'd like you to get into 2, into downloading these sample programs. If this doesn't work, sometimes these directions don't really match up with what you actually do. Google it and find a YouTube video on how to download the program and sync it up. I know you need that orange cord plugged in to the computer and then to your bot. But you can watch a YouTube video just the same as these lessons because sometimes it doesn't always match the same version of the stuff that we have. And then it tells you skip 2.5. That's for Vex Virtual Worlds. That's not what we have. Don't worry about Work-Based Wednesday. 3.2. 3.1 is the Labyrinth Challenge, which you'll actually do at the end of 3. So you skip 3.1, it just kind of tells you about it. You can look at it and know that's your first challenge. That's kind of where you're headed. And it tells you that there you are preparing to complete the Labyrinth Challenge at the end of this unit on movement. So you're going to do 3.2 lesson 1, 3.2 lesson 2, and keep going from there. So Jamiria, for your exam, you're going to get into 3.2. You should definitely be into 3.2. You've got about 2 hours to work. I would love for you to be through 3.3. This is where it's teaching you